it's Diva Secrets. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you all this beautiful hair that I got from AliExpress. Yeah guys, this is my first time of purchasing AliExpress hair. I'm so afraid when it comes to AliExpress hair because I've gotten so many bad reviews about AliExpress hair. But guess what guys, let's check out this hair. And before then guys, if today is your first time of tuning into my YouTube channel, please make sure to subscribe. Here we do all organic cosmetic products. We make creams, we make soap, we take care of our skin, we take care of our hair, we do reviews of about clothing, we do reviews about hair and a little bit of vlogs. And please turn on the notification bell, that is very important. And also I need your comment because I'm going to be doing a giveaway very soon and I want to know every of my subscribers, and the only way for me to know you all is by dropping your comments below every video that I'm going to be uploading on this channel. So guys, stay tuned and let me bring you this hair by Iseehair. So guys, this is the hair sent to me by Iseehair. I don't know if you can get this. This is Iseehair. You can actually follow them on Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, and AliExpress. So I got this hair from Iseehair and they sent me 14 inches 100% human hair. So let's unbox this hair guys. Let's unbox. Wow. So this is it guys. So they also sent me these eyelashes as a gift, you can see, and €5 coupon means that your first purchase, as a first time client, they are going to give you €5 or $5 percent if you want to purchase again. So I think I'm actually going to purchase again because I like the texture of this hair, and this is the eyelashes guy. So let's unbox our hair. So guys, I'm going to be rocking this hair today. Today is 28th of December 2019. I have a party to attend. So this is how the hair came. This is how it came. This is how it came. And this is it guys. So this is it guys. I'm going to take this out. Wow. So this is it guys. The hair is actually soft. This is inside of the hair. So I'm going to be fixing this hair and I'm going to show you the final touch of this hair. I'm going to leave the link below my description box guys. You can actually try out this hair, and if you're afraid of getting AliExpress hair, just try by purchasing the like 10 inches. Start from 10 inches or rather 8 inches. So I got, this is 14 inches. Yeah, this is 14 inches. I took the risk to purchase 14 inches. I just want to know if this hair is actually a good one, and by touching the hair, it's actually good. It's soft and there is no shading, just little shading. So I'm going to fix this hair and I'll be back guys. Stay tuned and let's see the final touch. My hair. So divas, this is the final look of my hair, and this hair is super soft to the touch. This hair is super soft. There's nothing like shedding. The hair is not shedding. I just washed the hair, fix it, and I applied my leave-in condition, and also I use a very good hair moisturizer. And guys, I'm going to leave the link below my description box so that you can go and check this hair out. You can start by purchasing the 8 inches or 10 inches. So this is 40 inches and I love the length. I'm not a fan of long hair, so I just love this and I don't want anything that is going to be touching my body. Guys, I love my hair. Yeah, and I'm rocking this hair today. I'm going to a party and this look fabulous on me. So I'm going to teach you all how I made this wig myself. Yeah guys, I'm going to be uploading the video very soon, so you can go and watch it, how I made this wig myself. So for now, just keep staring at my beautiful face, and please guys, make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, share this video with your friends, ask me any question, and leave your comment below guys. I want to know every of my subscribers through my comment section, because I will be doing giveaway very soon. So stay tuned guys. I love you all and happy new year in advance. Bye bye.